The best answer to the question, can you really make money with ChatGPT, probably came from this guy.
What if I was to tell you the best way to make money with ChatGPT is to talk about making money with ChatGPT?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
But in all seriousness, I want to dive in today in this video and really look at the ways we can start thinking about how to actually use ChatGPT to help us make money, especially as a marketer, an affiliate marketer looking to create content to help people solve their problems and then ultimately lead them to the ultimate solution, which is our affiliate offer, so we have a chance to earn a commission. Let's go back a little bit and look at a video that I made recently here on the channel about Bass Pro Shops, the affiliate marketing program. Now, inside of this video, I had a chat with ChatGPT, and it was about brainstorming content ideas around possible avatars or people that were looking for flashlights and content ideas for these folks. Because we were looking at different offers from that affiliate program, specifically one of the offers was coolers. So again, we were using ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas and reasons why people would want coolers. Now, in this brainstorming session for flashlights, we happened upon an avatar or a group of people, which are security personnel. Content ideas: flashlight for security, the role of flashlights in ensuring safety and security, tactical flashlights, why they're essential for security professionals, and why they need a flashlight for patrolling during nighttime, ensuring safety and potentially deterring threats. Now, security personnel did not show up in the brainstorming for coolers, but does that mean we should stop there? I say no. I say, let's take a look at the avatar of security personnel, and do you think they need a cooler? And give me content ideas and why they need a cooler. We're letting ChatGPT give us content ideas, then it's going to be our job to create the content. Now, can we use ChatGPT to create that content? Most definitely. And we're going to take a look at that, but let's dive further into what it's given us here. Certainly, while a cooler might not be the first thing, it might not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking of security personnel. There are scenarios when having a cooler could be beneficial for them. Here's a breakdown of the avatar security personnel. One of the first things that you need to do as a marketer, specifically as affiliate marketer, is to get into the mind of the people that you are targeting your content at. In this case, security personnel and why they need a cooler. Long shift, remote locations, emergency preparedness, vehicle patrols, health and well-being. Boom. Now we know why. We have the big picture of why they need this product that we're offering them. Now let's get into content ideas. And just while we're sitting here thinking about this and we're having this discussion, me and you are coming up with, okay, this is a great idea to create content around this, and ChatGPT is doing all the work. ChatGPT is actually doing all the work. It just finished and it says to remember, or it says, by focusing on the unique challenges and needs of security personnel, these content ideas aim to highlight the importance and benefits of having a reliable cooler on hand. Then we have a complete list of content ideas here. And the beauty of this is we can continue in this conversation. The unsung hero, that would be the cooler. Why every security personnel needs a reliable cooler. Top 5 coolers, staying alert and hydrated, the role of coolers in security work, coolers for vehicle patrols, maximizing efficiency on the go, a guide for security personnel who use vehicles, discussing the best coolers that fit in vehicles and the benefits of having one on hand. So here we are continuing down this path of using ChatGPT to make money by helping us identify the reasons why security personnel might need a cooler. And we are doing that by entering another prompt here or brainstorming ChatGPT by us using our brain, which is the most powerful tool that we have. But great, now let's write an outline for coolers for vehicle patrols, maximizing efficiency on the go, and be sure to talk about the different types of coolers and vehicles and how they work together to make the life of security personnel better. Certainly, ChatGPT tells us, here's an outline for coolers for vehicle patrols, maximizing efficiency on the go. Introduction, brief overview of the importance of vehicle patrols and security work, the role of coolers in enhancing the efficiency and well-being. So we have the unique challenges of vehicle patrols. Then we get into the different types of coolers suitable for vehicle patrols. The different types of coolers suitable for vehicle patrols. traditional hard coolers, soft coolers, electric coolers, rolling coolers, pros and cons of each, matching coolers with different types of patrol vehicles, sedans and small cars, SUVs and large vehicles or larger vehicles, motorcycles or bikes. Then we get into the key here, the benefits of having a cooler on vehicle patrols, and we get into the reasons why. The reasons why someone that is in this profession or thinking about getting in this profession and looking at different tools that they need might not even be aware of the fact that they need a cooler, or might know that they want a cooler or need a cooler for a specific reason, but we can enhance that by creating this content. And here we're back with ChatGPT giving us tips for maximizing cooler efficiency, and then wrapping it up here and showing us or letting us know and giving us this reminder. This outline provides a comprehensive look at the role of coolers in vehicle patrols, aiming to guide security personnel. Remember, that's the person that we're targeting, the group of folks that have a problem that we as an affiliate marketer that have found this product, cooler, to say, okay, we're aiming to guide security personnel in making informed decisions that enhance their efficiency and well-being on the job. I'm so excited about this. I'm speaking so fast I can't even talk. My tongue is twisted, but you get what I'm saying. I am showing you here the fact that now we can continue this. And I want to stress how simple this is and for you not to overthink it. Simply a simple prompt like this, or giving ChatGPT a little more information about how you want to continue. Now let's do the same thing for flashlights. Of course, here's an outline for flashlights for vehicle patrols, illuminating efficiency on the move. Introduction, the unique challenges of vehicle patrols. Then it's going to continue on here. Different types of flashlights suitable for vehicle patrols. Traditional handheld flashlights, tactical flashlights, headlamps. It's going to continue with pros and cons. And at this point, we are starting to create content. We are starting to do our job. Our job as an affiliate marketer is to help people. In this case, again, this group of people that are interested in the things they need, the tools required to do the job and also do the job safely or efficiently. And that is the group of people that we found by using ChatGPT, by first looking at an affiliate program and then finding products and saying, wow, this is a topic that I think I could talk about. This is a topic that I think I can make some money in. This is a topic I think I can help people identify the tools they need and how these tools are actually going to help them do a better job and also do it safer and be able to continue to do it for the long term. Again, you can see here, it's going to go ahead. It's going to keep creating this content for us, matching flashlights with different types of patrol vehicles. Again, we're tapping into the benefits of having a flashlight on vehicle patrols, and we are providing tips for maximizing flashlight efficiency. And again, this outline offers a detailed look at the role of flashlights in vehicle patrols, aiming to guide security personnel in making informed decisions that enhance their safety and efficiency during their duties. So while we're here, let's just continue on and keep rolling, because this is so great to really see ChatGPT in action. Now, I stress that you need to go do this yourself, but look at how simple this is to continue. Great, now list me more tools and equipment that security personnel need on the job and why they need it and how it benefits them. ChatGPT is more than happy to do this for us. Certainly, here's a list of essential tools and equipment for security personnel along with the reasons for their necessity and the benefits they offer. Two-way radios, why and the benefits. Body cameras, why and the benefit. Baton or extendable baton, why and the benefits. Handcuffs, why and the benefits. Metal detectors, security vest or uniform, and the list is just going to keep going. And at this point, now you have nailed it. You see how powerful ChatGPT is, and a real way to think about how to use ChatGPT as an assistant to assist you in making money, specifically making money as an affiliate marketer by looking at different things that people need, a group of people, in this case, security personnel, that we said, this is our avatar. This is the group of people that we can help with creating very helpful content around these different types of products, why these products help them, why they need these products, what are the benefits and the features, but focused in on the benefits and how this will help them, and ultimately how ChatGPT is going to help us make money. Now, this is just a small example. If you'd like to see ChatGPT and AI itself, you'd like to go through a workshop creating content around these powerful ideas and seeing it in action, I have an AI content workshop. There's a link in the description. Go ahead and click that. The offer might be closed. By the time you click that link, it does open and close depending on when I have the workshop or when I make it available. But there will be a page there and it will say offer closed, or it will offer you another piece of information around this topic. So be sure to check that out and keep thinking about ways, realistic ways to use ChatGPT, in this case to create content, specifically as an affiliate marketer, because that is the best and probably the simplest way to start making money right now online, just by simply helping people solve their problems. Again, link in the description for that AI content workshop. Check it out. Look forward to seeing you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.